Hello everyone, Becca here. I have this idea to make a mixed media journal, and I got this idea from Dinah Wakely. I'm sure I say her name wrong. Is her she made this post in Instagram, so and I got the idea from her, and I just have so much material for mixed media. I have canvas, paper, cardstock, a lot of stuff, and I want to make it a book. Oh my. I have my sorter machine that I never ever used before. So, and I got this one way back. I'm talking like 5 years back probably, and I have all that stuff there. I never use it. And I think I'm gonna try to make one media journal with the materials I have, and I'm gonna show the whole process because it's gonna be long and boring, but I will come time to time to show what I have been doing. For first I'm gonna do, I have a lot of papers here. I have some papers, some material, canvas, how do you call this, laminate, I'm not sure, more of this, burlap, canvas, music sheets, some board, and some cardboard, and I have a lot of cardstock, and I have watercolor paper that I have around, and some folders. And I'm gonna cut everything by this measurement. The ones are bigger. I'm gonna cut it by this measurement. This is gonna be the cover of the media book I'm gonna do. So I will show you later when I have everything collected before I bind it, and I'll be back. Okay, this is the update. I did it. I make the holes. I put the thing. I'm gonna show you what papers I choose. I have this machine like, I don't know, 5 years maybe, and I never used it. I finally have the courage to look for some tutorials in YouTube and learn how to use it. And actually it's pretty easy to make, super easy. If I will know that, I will use it before. Anyways, so I did it, but I think it's way too full. So I think I'm gonna open it and try to remove some papers and make two of them instead of one. So maybe with this and the other, and I can make one new one. And this is what I choose. I choose some canvases, some papers, music sheet, watercolor, Prima watercolor, more music sheets, and these are file folders that I gessoed before. Some of my drawings, some cardstock, and basically that's what I did. Cardstock, more watercolor. I love you too, honey bunny. And some, yes, some started pages, very random jelly prints that I have around that I never used. This one I did a long time ago. Some burlap, some of this, I forgot how you call this, more jelly prints, and some one with already backgrounds, some of my drawings, and empty papers, some random papers, but it is too full and I cannot really close and open pretty easy. So I'm going to open it again and make a small one and see if that works better. I will come later and show you the final result. I have more boards of this, so I just make another set of covers and I make two books instead of one. So I'll be back when I divide it and make it. Okay, this is the final piece. Done. Sorry for the background, the kids are in the living room playing and I'm pretty close. So this is the final piece. I broke the one I showed you before in two. Now I have two of them and I like them. I'm not sure how easy it's gonna be for me to work on them, but I think it's gonna be fine, looks like it. I think the next one, the only problem I have is that when I make the holes, I think not all of them have the right measurements. Like ones I put them more closer to the end and to the top, so some of them are kind of I don't know, like crumb here. But I think the next one I will do just this hole here in the top, in the middle, instead of two, and I think that's gonna work better, I think. Or maybe in the top. Yeah, I think the next one I will do in the top. But for now, I think this is going to work, and I have two now, and they're kind of canvas. I don't know what is this. Acrylic paper, some paper, watercolor. Yeah, I'm liking this one. This one is pretty strong and it's good. This one, the first page that I call the first page, and you see it's backwards, but this one is really backwards. I don't know which one is which one. Anyway, but this one is out, so I will glue this one to this one, because if not, it's gonna fall. This is kind of cracking there. So, but I kind of like them. I will use them. I think I'm gonna start with this one, and I will try to, every time I make a page here, I will show you what I did. And that's it. I hope you like this mixed media journals, and I will see you next time. Bye.